Girl, you got me thinking, my, said I could go over and get this thing started right now. I wanna do something to you, baby. Things early, I wanna do. No, I don't want soda, I need water. Oh, let me take you to places nice and quiet. There ain't no one back to the door. Ain't got a rush. I just wanna take it nice and slow. Tell me, would you wanna get freaky? I'll bring you right out there. I'll bring you right out there. I'll be like nobody's ever seen. I'll bring you right out there. Right out there. I'll be like nobody's ever seen, girl.
Song, artist, or genre you've been listening to that's been getting you through the pandemic and why?
The films, and it's 6 Feet Apart. It's been getting me through because I've been like missing my family and not being able to see them, and you know we've been so distant, you know. But the song helps me get through the day, so knowing that I can call them helps me.
Actually been listening to a lot of like R&B and old school rap. One, because that's kind of the era that I'm in, that I'm from, and two, I just think it's better than what they putting out today. So I've been listening to a lot of like Wu-Tang, Ghostface, Method Man, Raekwon, a lot of old school R&B, Johnny Gill, Bobby Brown, stuff like that.
What does that do for you? How does that make you feel?
It kind of puts me in a nostalgia mood, but it's also like
Monday morning.
It also puts me in a mind state of when things were a whole lot better. Like, you know, we walking around holding, wearing masks and everything now. So I'm just trying to think vividly of back then when we didn't have to wear masks.
I see you got Billie Eilish
Through the pandemic.
Why?
Because she's young and she's smart and she embraces her sadness and makes music out of it, makes art out of it.
Gotcha.
And I think that when musicians have a platform, they should make every political statement they can instead of saying some half-assed remark like I'm friends with rappers.
Through the pandemic, I've been listening to a lot of experimental music that has no lyrics, mostly because I've been taking school online, and it's a lot easier to do schoolwork without singing along to music. So I expanded my classical, folk, and blues music through the process.
I've been listening to a lot of Frank Ocean, specifically like Channel Orange. That album is just so good.
I've been listening to a lot of Solange. Their songs are just really, really nice to listen to, especially when you're like outside and like in nature.
Probably like SZA and yeah, just a lot of SZA.
How you doing today?
Good.
That's what's up. So what song or artist that's been getting you through the pandemic and why?
Pretty good. One, like I said, everything I've been begging everything from the Yada on up. Big Crit, huge, getting me through here. Cuddy, listen to that, like I said, between Passion Pains and Demon Slaying and Man on the Moon Free, and of course Cole and Kendrick. Like I said, just going through the catalogs of just good artists.
I like Cole because you can relate to her music.
with the mulatto shit, cause I'm still out this bitch. I'm out through, out through, around, over, me and them are cool.
A lot of Cuddy. A lot of Kid Cudi. Man on the Moon Part 3, Solo Dolo. Sad people. A lot of M right now. Especially, well, old M, Kamikaze M. A little bit of the new album. And then finally Saba, Chicago.
Peace, good people. I want to thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can keep up to date with all the videos that I post. And until next time, peace.